Good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coins. Shytoshi has just unveiled a 7-day strategy to reach $3 with Shiba Inus. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. The Shiba Inu initiative and its native coin have recently garnered a lot of attention. A burn mechanism that will impact the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem is being worked on by the company's development team, according to SHIB Army leader and chief programmer Shytoshi Kusama. With the official Twitter account of the community hinting at yet another big update, SHIB holders are understandably excited about what's to come. Shytoshi has unveiled a 7-day strategy for Shiba Inu to hit $3, and we'll be discussing it in this video. Breaking news about Shiba Inus. For more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. A great deal has transpired since Shiba Eternity was released in Australia. Now that the official account has tweeted their most recent statement, everyone is even more excited and eager. The official release date of the Shiba Inu collectible card game has been announced by the Shiba Inu team via the Twitter Space event Shiba Eternity Community Update. As stated in the release, the debut of Shiba Eternity is scheduled for October 1st. On download day, the Shiba Inu community will celebrate its release by crashing the app stores for both iOS and Android. Consequently, the coin and ecosystem as a whole were met with great enthusiasm. The ecosystem has some more positive news. Update Shiba Inu, which is expected to be released on or around September 30th, is still undergoing final polishing by the development team. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will supposedly be able to scale with this update, and everyone's gas bills will go down, especially gamers. At this time, one coin is worth anything from $0.00 to $0.00. Since cryptocurrency prices tend to be lower in June, this suggests that the currency is still trading within its June price range. Market forces at the macro level caused this price drop after a steady ascent from June to August. Concern among investors and traders was heightened by reports of increasing year-over-year inflation and the latest interest rate hike of 0.75%. The most recent high was on September 10th, and since then the price has dropped by 25.06%. The price has risen from its low on September 21st to the $0.00001038 area, though the anticipated relief rally for the cryptocurrency will be supported by these price ranges. The most recent drop at $0.00 is the level of resistance. Since bulls can readily take advantage of any breakthroughs towards the 78.6 fib level, this level is crucial. The SHIB token's value could be influenced by the Ethereum ecosystem because it is built on Ethereum. The coin's volatility could be amplified by the current market conditions, potentially resulting in a crash. SHIB is expected to benefit from the current recovery trend. One of the most widely used meme coins, Shiba Inu, has not been showing any signs of life recently, with a negative 6% increase in value over the past week. But SHIB can assist flip the tide in its favor with a number of ecosystem developments. As an example, October 1, 2022 has been designated as the SHIB download day for SHIB Eternity. The developers of Shiba have been hinting at the release of a card game called SHIB Eternity sometime in the next year, and their prediction appears to have come true. Other favorable events followed this news, which could lead to an increase in the price of SHIB. In addition to the debut date, another significant change was disclosed. We shall burn SHIB with 5% of the game's total profit. As good news for long-term investors, this made investors even happier. SHIB has been burning tokens at an alarming rate recently, burning nearly 16 million in just the past 24 hours alone. 30% of Shiba Inu investors are keeping the meme coin for long-term financial purposes, according to another study. Consequently, investors are optimistic about the future due to the increased burn rate in the plan to use the 5% profit of SHIB Eternity. Following the announcement, the price of the meme currency did rise, with a market valuation of $5,921,568,523. SHIB was trading at $0.00, a little higher than the previous 24 hours. The MVRV ratio for SHIB also saw an increase from last week, which is rather interesting. The social volume of the coin also went in a similar direction, increasing somewhat for the past several days. We may anticipate these burns to show up on SHIB's chart in the next months, even though the metrics and price action do not explicitly suggest a northbound advance soon, due to all the positive developments in the community. Nevertheless, the relative strength index of SHIB was found to be neutral according to CryptoQuant statistics. Meanwhile, the stochastic indicator showed that the market was too cheap. It could perhaps aid SHIB in registering an optic earlier than anticipated. Since Shiba Inu, a meme coin, introduced its 100595 non-fungible virtual land plot metaverse, dubbed Shiba Lands, whales have taken an interest in the dog breed. Some virtual plots in Shiba Inu's metaverse, which stand in for streets, boulevards, and hubs, will allegedly remain open to all users. Other parcels of land, though, will be up for grabs. On its decentralized exchange ShibaSwap, the ecosystem's creators also released a collection of NFTs named Shytoshis. In only 24 hours, the NFT sales were a smashing success. There will be more NFTs issued in the future, though, according to the sales website. In addition, the Shiba Inu platform is actively striving to enhance the cryptocurrency utility of these NFTs. The NFTs will serve as playable characters in their next gaming platform. Additionally, Shiba Inu and Block Forest have teamed up to create a collection of NFTs commemorating the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The Shiba Inu will gain even more attention and popularity among soccer fans throughout the world as a result of this. At the gathering, representatives from Shiba Inu went over some details on Shiba Eternity. Over 500 cards with hundreds of attributes incorporating Shiboshis would be featured in the game, according to the debate, which the Crypto Basic learnt about. Shiba Eternity will have in-app purchases such as card skins, card packs, in-game currency, experience boosters, etc., according to the team, who have verified additional details regarding the Shiba Inu collecting card game. Because it is not a pay-to-win game like many others, players from all around the world can play and win regardless of their financial situation. Without investing in upgrades, any player may compete using just their base deck. For those who are unfamiliar with the game, the head developer of Shiba Inu has also made the tutorial available. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu community has been invited to participate in an exciting intro trailer contest which has been announced by the Shiba Inu leadership team. The best introduction trailer for the Shiba Inu game, according to the release, will receive $5,000 worth of Shiba Inu tokens. The developers have stated that this trailer will serve as the game's official promotional tool. The chief developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shytoshi, has stated that 5% of all sales from the Shiba Inu collectible card game will be used to burn up the existing enormous supply of Shiba Inu, as reported earlier by the Crypto Basic. This choice is a result of pressure from the Shiba Inu community, who had previously demanded that the project's chief developer destroy all Shiba Inu assets in an effort to artificially inflate their value. According to Shytoshi, it's not possible for the team to burn through all of the SHIB because there is already plenty on the market, and acquiring all of the SHIB would require an investment of billions of dollars, money that the team simply does not have. So, the Shiba Inu crew is putting all its energy toward integrating burn mechanism into the Shiba Inu ecosystem as a whole. This includes the highly anticipated Shibarium Layer 2 solution, ShibaSwap v2, Shiba Eternity, Shiba Metaverse, and more. He ended his Discord conversation by saying, "It's funny we are working on that, but getting and burning billions of dollars is no easy task." There have been 6,496 tweets about Shiba Eternity in the business and finance area since the primary Shiba Inu developers team made all these announcements. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.